I'm going to lift up our prayers of gratitude this morning. Over here, how are we doing? Yes, recovering one day at a time. Amen. Yes. For all the work the doctors are doing, for the healing work that God's doing, and just the common sense stuff of, hey, it still hurts and they need help. So always doing common sense. And I believe God gives us that common sense. Prayers of gratitude here? Anybody? Yes.
I'm thankful for our grandson who's visiting us this weekend.
Yeah, welcome. Yes. From Ohio, yeah, I thought it was Ohio. Welcome. No snow here, right? Just in case, but you know that you grew up around here. Yes.
Thankful my husband's getting better and for my sister visiting from Carolina.
Wow, welcome. Yes. Bring in the sister support and thank God for healing.